Some of the most common mistakes that truck accident victims make, I'd say probably the most common would be talking to the insurance adjuster. The insurance adjusters are nice people. They try to act like they're your friend, but the fact of the matter is they have a job to do. Their job is to try to settle your case for a small amount of money. So talking to the insurance adjuster, you can give them a lot of information that they can use against you, like for instance giving a recorded statement. They can ask you questions like, did you have your seatbelt on? Did you see the guy coming before you were hit? Stuff like that that can really hurt the liability. Like for instance in Missouri, if you're not wearing your seatbelt, the accident may not have been your fault. You may have been rear-ended by a semi, but if you're not wearing your seatbelt, they can admit that in a court of law, and they can argue that you wouldn't have been injured if you would have had your seatbelt on, which seems silly. But so stuff like that. So talking to the insurance adjuster is a big mistake. Another common mistake that people make with trucking accidents is they accept the offer that's presented to them by the insurance adjuster. They're commonly referred to as lowball offers. Trucking companies, they have a lot of insurance, they have a lot of risk, they have a lot of exposure, so their adjusters are very aggressive. They will sometimes they'll go to your home. They'll present you with a settlement offer. It might seem enticing. You may have medical expenses. Maybe you're out of work, and it's like people look at it as like, well, I should accept this check. It's money. They're giving me a check. Why shouldn't I take it? But the reason they're doing that is because they want to limit the exposure that the insurance company has. Your case might be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, and they offer you a check for $10,000. It may seem like a smart thing to do, but it's not. There's actually 7 big mistakes that I talked about in my book that I wrote a few years ago. We devoted a whole chapter to the mistakes that you can make that can be damaging to your case. If you would like to get a copy of the book, click the link below. We'd be more than happy to send you a hard copy or an e-copy of the book. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or visit the website.